Hey, what's up, y'all? So I am back. I'm reviewing Fashion Plus Hair Store, their 16-inch water wave unit. It is from Amazon, shipped through Amazon Prime. It is virgin hair, glueless, machine made, 150% density. Y'all know y'all girl love headband units. This unit will run you $72.99, okay, on their website. It came in this cute little bag here. Inside the bag you have the unit, of course, and then they give you a couple of headbands. Really pretty. So we have this one, a tropical one, a pink one, a white one, and another pink one. All right, y'all, so let's get into the construction of the unit. We have 4 combs. We have 2 combs on the side, one here and one in the back, and then we also have the adjustable strap along with the headband portion. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my straps because this unit definitely looks like it is big head friendly. And then we're going to put the unit on. Now, some people are telling me or asking me, hey Shay, like, can you hide the headband, like the black part of the band? And the answer is yes, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that as soon as I go ahead and put this on. The only thing is you have to make sure that it is secure. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just roll it back, all right, so it doesn't show too much. All right, and then I'm just going to tighten this, and this is Velcro, so we're going to go ahead and tighten this to the unit. All right, then we have more hair showing. I really like this. This is cute. And the crazy part about it, I was on the phone with my husband when I opened it, and I was like, babe, this wig smells good, because usually, like, I have to wash my units because, you know, it gives off that hair smell. I don't know if y'all got wigs, y'all know what I'm talking about, but it gives off that hair smell. So this one is really, really pretty, and it smells really good. And I'm loving her in the middle part. Like, yes. And you see, I just think it looks so much better when you really can't see the band, because I'm not really like into the bands unless I really have on something of that color. But yeah, so it's wet. I was about to say wet and wavy, but child, that's what it is. It's wet and wavy. Y'all be saying water wave. It's wet and wavy. That's what I'm used to back in the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my water and spray it all on the unit just so I can make the curls pop. I'm not gonna use anything else but water. All right, and then as I'm spraying it, I'm just going to scrunch up the hair. She is so pretty. She is really pretty. Like, I don't want to do anything to her. She is gorgeous. All right, so I like to just tuck my headband piece in side and the back, and then go ahead and clip it. Let me turn around for y'all so y'all can see her. Give y'all a little 360, but she is so pretty, y'all. Y'all point budget friendly, install friendly, all that good stuff. So I'm feeling her. She is really, really cute. Let me know if you're feeling her. Let me know if you like her. Let me know if you've ever worked with this company. It's Fashion Plus. I believe I've heard of them, but this is really, really pretty. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. Love you so much. Bye.